Welcome to the duty destination. Today we're at the La Quinta Inn Suites near the fairgrounds in Tampa Bay, Florida. So let's go. So we'll start off. There's an ironing board. Hi, Ronnie. Like my pants? So it's your basic. That's our cooler and our stuff. Don't mind it. If you like cool designs, kissadooday.com. Very clean. We got 2 beds. There's babe. Over here they do give you a microwave and a tiny fridge. Your phone and your notepad. And then the bathroom's pretty basic. You got your stand-up mirror here. Shaky, shaky. And there is like a little bit of rust by the bathtub, but probably how much we're paying for a concert hotel, I'm not complaining. As well as Dove toiletries. So next to the bed, there's 2 lights. This one's not working for us. But you turn it on with the knob right there. There's no bugs or anything. It's not bad. So we're staying here tonight because we won tickets to see Blink-182, and it's right across the road. So that actually works out pretty awesome. I also want to add there was plenty of parking out back as well as a pool out front. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to check it out, but it is there as an option. I also included some videos of the show because I didn't realize how big the venue was and that there was so much food and drink and different options inside. Well, thanks for tuning in this adventure. Do not forget to like and subscribe and tune in for our next adventure.